to do a lot of stuff in this Google site tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add buttons, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can, well, in the future maybe I'll show you how to make custom buttons. If you want to do that, we'll have to reach at least 5 likes. Now, and I'm also going to show you guys how you can create a footer, how you can insert a YouTube video, and how you can add a subpage. So let's get started. So you probably already know how to go to Google Sites. If not, just go to sites.google.com. Then I'm just going to go ahead and create a new site, and this will be my test site, right? So I'll just go to the MazeBeam. Okay, what's that? Alright, never mind. MazeBeam site tutorial. And okay, let's just go change this name. I'm just gonna change it to test. And yeah, so you can choose your header type, obviously. And yeah, so let's say you have an existing website already. So I'm just gonna go change this font real quick. Let's just change it to, let's say, not Comic Sans, obviously. Anton is one of my favorite fonts. But let's say you can obviously create themes. You guys all know how to do this probably. But if not, and you want to know how to do the basics, you can just go click on my link in the description. So I'm just gonna get this website all set it up. So probably Anton, body text. Okay, I'll add a new font right here. This font is called Love You Like a Sister. That font like there, right there. Okay, create theme. Okay, so let me show you guys how you can do this. So first of all, let me show you guys how to add a footer, because a footer is actually pretty cool. You can just put your mouse right here, and you'll see add footer. So you just want to go to the bottom part of the screen, put your mouse here, and tap on add footer, and you'll see that now we can add our footer. So I'm just going to quickly change the font size. I will change this to 18, and I will center at the beginning, or how you say it, align, I guess. Now after you've done that, okay, let's just type something like, well, for mine it says you reached the end of this page, subscribe, and blah blah blah. And now we can go to view, reach. I can just go copy and paste that real quick to show you guys how you can do this. So I'm just gonna copy that and I'm gonna go paste that in. Okay, so right now let's say this is my footer, right? So I'm just gonna change this to this for this page. But now, as you can see, when we just preview it, you'll see that we have our footer at the bottom, and you'll see we got a couple of buttons. And because I added them, you guys all know how to link this probably, and if you don't know, you can just add a button by doing this, highlighting it and typing on the hyperlink button. But you'll see that all of this stuff does work. My footer, I have subscribe, this will bring me to my YouTube subscribe page, and arrive here, visit Auckland site. And yeah, so as you can see, it works on a tablet and a phone as well. So let me just rename this to test. You can obviously click on half of the screen to edit the footer and the page content. And if I go, so if I go ahead and add a new page like this, pages, new page, and then if I add something like, let's just say test again, and we have, as you can see, right over here, and as you can see on the preview section, this will show up on the home page and the test page, the footer, right? And let's say I want to disable it on the test page. I can go to click on this button, and it will be hide the footer on the page. And that's actually pretty cool. So if I hide that footer and I preview the website, you will see that right over here there will be a footer on the home page, but there won't be a footer on the next page. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you guys is how you can add buttons. and you guys probably already know, but you can just click on it, go to insert and button. If you guys want to know how to create custom buttons, just make sure to get 5 likes. Like this is custom buttons and it works and it looks pretty cool. But if you want to create a normal button, you can just put your name and the name of the button and the link, right? And yeah. So yeah. The next thing I'm gonna be showing you guys right over here is how you can insert a YouTube video. So if I go to my homepage on my site, you'll see I do have a YouTube video right here. Now to insert a YouTube video, all you have to do is click on the YouTube button, and from here you can go search a random video, or you can click on one of your uploaded videos, and then we can just select the video and click on select, and now the video will now be on the site, and you can view it by clicking on this button. Now there's a couple of settings that you can adjust as well, so you can change the progress bar color to something else, but in my case it's just I have an extension, but it's not here, but you'll see that it's currently red right now. And if I go ahead and click on this button right here and change the progress bar color to white, and if I go to preview now, you'll notice that the progress bar color has now turned to white. How cool is that? And we can also customize some other stuff like allow full screen. If we disable that and we go to preview once again, you will see that when we try to full screen, okay, I don't know why that didn't work, but when you allow full screen, it shouldn't work to be full screen, right? But yeah. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is a lot of other stuff I'm going to be showing you guys today. So there's a lot of stuff I'm going to show you guys. So now I'm going to show you guys how to add subpage. Now there's one way to do it, and let's say you've got 2 pages. You can simply drag the test page into the home page, and as you can see now we have the home page has a subpage called test. And if we go to preview section, you'll see if I hover my mouse above it, home, you'll see I have the test page, right? Okay, so let me make this a little bit clear if you're confused right here. So I'll name this to home page, right? Name the home page to home page. And yeah, so if I'm in preview right now, you'll see this is the home page, and if I hover my mouse above home, it'll bring me to test. The second way to do it is you can select it on you can just select on it and tap on add subpage, or if you already have a subpage, let's say test, let's say you already have a subpage, right? And I'm gonna do test 2, and right here if we tap on the home and then we click on and then we go ahead and click on the plus button, you'll see it's a new subpage. We can add that, and as you can see, it'll be a subpage. So that's actually pretty cool. Now, that's pretty much it for this lesson, and I hope you enjoyed this quick lesson. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.